Hi there, Taylor with Contral Trailers here again with my good friend Jeff Noble, Containment Mobile Storage here in Ohio. We'll now be demonstrating how to offload your first 20-foot container using our CDU 39 Gooseneck. In this example, we already have the axles slid to their forward position, and we've already removed our chain binders for the rear corner castings and our lock pins for the front corner castings. Now Jeff can use his wireless remote from his seat in his truck to tilt the bed up. Once the corner castings are resting firmly on the ground, he'll be able to pull forward, leaving the container where he needs to deliver it. This is how you make a delivery of your first 20-foot container using our CDU 39 trailer. Our next video will be how to remove the second one.